So shoulder flexion this is where the axis is the greater shoulder tubercle of the humerus, and the stationary arm is mid-axillary line. So we have to push and lift the arm up, and this would be the moving arm would be parallel to the lateral epicondyle. And the way we measure is the stationary arm stays still, and the measurement would be from 0 to 180, and this is measuring at 173. So shoulder extension, the axis would be the tubercle of the humerus, and the stationary arm is the mid-axillary line. The moving arm is lateral epicondyle to humerus. So we have to stabilize the thorax and push arm, and and the measurement is the result would be from 0 to 50. So ours is 20. Internal rotation, so the axis is the olecranon process, which is right here, and it would be the stationary arm would be perpendicular to the floor, and the moving arm would be the ulna. So and that would measure to 40. External rotation, so the axis is the olecranon process, and the stationary arm is perpendicular to the floor. The moving arm is from to the ulnar styloid process, and the range is supposed to be 0 to 90. So from here, and then we move it back, and our range is closer to 50. So elbow flexion, the axis is lateral epicondyle. Stationary arm is the acronym process, and the moving arm is the radial styloid process. So we have our moving arm right here, and we're measuring, and it'll be at a 50°. 3. Elbow extension, so the axis is the lateral epicondyle, which is right here, and then the stationary arm would be the acronym process, and the moving arm is the radial styloid process. So by measuring, we'll be extending the arm out, and the range should be at 0, which is at 0.